All right, I'm getting ready to paint. I've got my paint here, wall paint from Lowe's, or no, Home Depot. And this is the paint sprayer that I'm going to use. It's a Magnum Project Painter Plus. This thing is wonderful, but the thing I don't like about it is the setup time. It takes forever to get set up. Now, just a quick overview of this thing. You've got this gun here, and this nozzle comes out, and you can see on here that this is called a True 413. It determines what the spray is that comes out of that nozzle. So all of them have different spray, say different things on them. This one happens to, can't seem to get this to go in. It's got a little, it's kind of groove there. So I've got a, yeah, there we go. So that goes in there. Oh. Put that back in. Yep. Tighten that up. You can put this either horizontal or vertical, and then what you do is to spray, the arrow goes forward like this. To clean it out, you just turn it backwards and spray, and a whole bunch of spray comes out. So the first thing you got to do though is to get it primed, and you use water to do that. So here's the paint sprayer. The way this works is it sucks up through here. Oh, I'm supposed to have I'm missing a piece. I'm gonna go get it. The first thing you gotta do is prime it. So you stick this end in a bucket of water. This is the discharge, that goes in here. Then you just put this lever up for prime. And then you just crank this until it turns on. And you can see the water's coming out, which means that it's fine. So we're all primed now. Then what you do is turn it off. Now we're going to make it come out of here. Now we're going to make it come out of here. So you put it off prime, turn it on, and start spraying. And then what we're going to do is spraying water right now. Now it sprays, and now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in the bucket of water, or into the paint, and then I'm just shaking the paint up right now. Put it in the paint. All right, I'm gonna turn it on. I put the paint in here. I put the hose in here to suck up the paint. Now we're going to turn on. I'm going to start spraying. ceiling paint. Switch this around over here. All right, I'm going to paint the side with my spare. All right, I'm done painting my house, so I'm gonna run around and just do a little recap. Got this all painted, got the ceiling painted, sprayed it all down, touched up everything, and we got a little moth or something that has decided to take up residence in the corner already. So that's the front entryway. That came out pretty good. I've taken down my chandelier that hangs here because I want to get that fixed, and so that's another project that's coming up real quick, so I'll show you what I end up doing with that. Let me take you around, let me pause this and go around to the side. Alright, I'm at the side of my house now, and got this all painted. It looks really nicely now. Everything looks good, and the sprayer, you saw in the video how fast that goes when you get that set up, but I spent almost as much time cleaning up afterwards as I did spraying the house. So let me go to the back. All right, here's the back of the house. I sprayed all the way up to the top and down all the way. Painted around all the windows first, got that all touched up, and then painted it with the spray paint and finished up. And
So that took care of that problem. My next project that I'm going to show you a video of is when I do this. I'm just getting this going now. I'm building a patio out back here, so still in progress. Got a lot of work to do on it yet, but I'll let you know how that goes as it goes along. So hope you enjoyed this video on part 3 of painting my house.